Apply a primer to the skin using a synthetic foundation brush. This will prevent makeup from sliding. Apply a thin layer of foundation mixed with a mineralizer using a stipple brush to create a flawless finish. Apply a generous layer of eyegloss over the entire eyelid. Apply 2 layers of black mascara in a zigzag motion. Separate lashes using a fan brush or a spoolie. Use an eyebrow pencil to fill the brows in a feathering motion to ensure a more natural look. Apply a long-wearing lipstick to the apples of the cheeks for a more dewy finish. Apply a long-wearing lip liner to the center of the lips to ensure that the color stays put. Apply a berry-toned lip color with your finger to the center of the lips and blend outward. Apply a bronzing powder along the top of the cheekbones and just above the cupid's bow. Set makeup using a translucent pressed powder.